Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Coin Master board adventure game crashing, not launching, not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing or several other issues on phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working good in condition. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if internet is working properly or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to open the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Board Adventure Coin Master game, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If the issue still occurs, you should install a VPN so that you can play the game hassle free. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for a VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of them, and after that log into it, change the location, and after that try to log into the game and try to play it and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to the settings on your phone, go below, click on system update, and here you will check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, here you will check if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Board Adventure game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Coin Master Board Adventure game, and finally click on the install option and then try to play the game and check if it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.